Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, child safety locks, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.